Understanding using drum cases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, using drum cases. This may sound like a niche topic, but it's a great example of how English phrases can be packed with meaning. Not just about music, but about protecting and carrying what's valuable to us. Let's explore this phrase together and unlock its various interpretations. Get ready to march to the beat of language learning. In this section, we'll explore the literal meaning of drum cases. Drum cases are protective containers used to store and transport drums, the musical instruments. They are designed to keep the drums safe from damage, especially during travel. Using drum cases implies being responsible and caring for your musical instruments, ensuring they last long and stay in good condition. Now, let's look at the metaphorical use of using drum cases. In English, phrases often transcend their literal meanings. Using drum cases can metaphorically represent the concept of protection and precaution in various aspects of life. Just as drum cases protect drums, in life, we use cases or measures to protect what's valuable to us. This could be our health, relationships, or careers. In everyday English, using drum cases can be a quirky way to remind someone to be cautious or to safeguard something important. For instance, you might say, "Remember to use your drum cases," implying that one should not forget to take the necessary precautions in a situation. It's a phrase that can add a rhythmic touch to the everyday language of caution and care. Understanding when to use phrases like using drum cases is crucial. It's most fitting in informal conversations, perhaps with friends who share an interest in music. It's a light-hearted way to advise caution without sounding too stern. For example, before you head out on your adventure, don't forget to use your drum cases and pack an emergency kit. That's a wrap on our journey through the phrase, using drum cases. From its literal meaning in the world of music to its metaphorical use in everyday language, this phrase beats a rhythm of caution, care, and protection. We hope this video has been insightful and that you can carry these learnings, just like a well-protected drum, wherever you go. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be marching confidently to the beat of English fluency.